Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking compatibility. Lightning or USB-C digital AV adapter must match your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Once that's clear, plug the adapter into your device and attach a quality HDMI cable to the adapter and the TV. Make sure the TV input is set to the HDMI port you used. Unlock your device, and if prompted, allow connection. This mirrors video and audio over the adapter, so you'll see the device screen on the TV as soon as the handshake completes. Once the image appears, adjust what you see and hear. Go to Display Settings on iOS or Mac OS to choose Mirroring or Extended Desktop, and pick a resolution that matches the TV, typically 1080p or 4K if supported. Make sure audio output is set to the TV or receiver so sound follows the picture. If you encounter black bars or scaling, change the TV aspect ratio to 16:9 or toggle over scan. Matching the TV's refresh rate reduces judder, and to finish, tidy and secure the HDMI cable so movement won't interrupt the signal, then test video and audio across apps to confirm consistent output. When done, remove the adapter gently to avoid port stress. Do not unplug during updates. If you see no signal, first confirm the TV is on the correct HDMI input and try a different HDMI cable or port. If that fails, power cycle the TV and your device. Ensure the adapter has no visible damage, and update your device software before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.